Makeup kit raid. So, well, this is the most simple moisturizer I use on my face. The next is I put Angel Veil, what do you call this? Primer right after. And then my favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Cashew. And then after that, concealer. I basically don't conceal much, but I use this Maybelline Fit Me in color 10. And then what's next? For powders, my powder is not here. Ay nako. But it would be also a Maybelline. Is it Maybelline or L'Oreal? L'Oreal, I think. Oh, there. This one, L'Oreal Infallible. See, I already hit pan. And then for eyeshadow, during my travel, I use this one. I choose this one, Modern Renaissance. I just do some simple eye makeup with this. And then next, I don't have baking powder or something. I just use this. And then just pat it with tissue if I feel like I'm oily. And then for my favorite eyeliner, it is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner with Trooper Black. And then favorite mascara is by Benefit Roller Lash mascara. And then for the bronzer or contour powder, it would be the Hoola Benefit. I also hit pan on this. So look, I already hit pan also. See, those are my favorite like maybe holy grail or go-to travel makeup. And also this one, because it complements my skin so well, by Deborah Milano in the color 6 Mahogany. Already hit pan also. So I just have few brushes with me, like this, just simple. And then for my highlighter, it's the Mary Luminizer by the brand The Balm or Balm. And then sometimes if my pores are too large, I use this travel size, the Pore Freshener by Benefit, to cover my pores. If I want to use tints, I have this too. I also have like Vice Ganda tint. And then what else? For my black eyeliner, I have the Too Faced black eyeliner, waterproof. And then for eyebrows, I have this NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil. And which color is this? I don't know. There's nothing. Can't see them. Wait. Espresso. And this one is Caroline. I use them, both of them. And then some of my lipsticks. Go to travel lipsticks. If I need red, Kylie. Like dark pink or like skin toned or like baby pink. So I use them. Also have my Inglot lipstick. It's a little pinkish and I can't be open. Ay nako. Can't. The one hand. So this is the shade. Yeah, this is shade 410. So I like this one also. And then what else? For like eyeliner also, which is skin toned, I use this NYX Wonder Pencil. lower eyeliner, and another like wine color from the brand Sephora. So I think that's it. I also have another lipstick there on my bag, but basically this is what's inside my mini makeup kit.